Crowns are used in multiple different ways. They are made to replace a missing tooth. They are made to replace a broken or decayed tooth. By that I mean they cover the whole entire tooth, so there is no broken or decayed part is showing because all that area has been cleaned out before time. So once the crown is placed over the tooth, it makes it look like a brand new tooth and it functions like a brand new tooth. The best way to find out if placing a crown or multiple crowns are your choice is for you to come in, for me to do a free consult and a scan for you, and that way I can go over all the options that are available for you.